And getting back to weather here, we have a lot to track over the next 7 days. We got some cloudy skies tonight, should keep the fog down, but we'll see some big warming temperatures too. Let's take a look at the satellite and radar to kick things off. You can see those clouds really starting to push into Kern County. Now, the thickest of that cloud cover is to our north, and you can even see a couple of very light showers embedded in that. Can't completely rule out a sprinkle tonight, but no significant rain is expected, and that'll be the same through the night and through the weekend too. So overnight lows tonight a little bit warmer compared to last night, not by a ton, but again should be enough to keep the fog at bay, at least for most of us. 45 degrees here in Bakersfield. Bigger change in our mountain areas. You guys were near freezing yesterday, only down into the about 40-degree range here tonight. Warming up starting tomorrow, though. Already a shot at the 70s for the Kern River Valley. Here in the San Joaquin Valley, probably mid-60s, so about as warm as where we were today. Comfortable still, but we've got a bigger warm-up in the forecast here coming very soon. And here's our first hint that really warm air is moving in. Very calm winds out there. That tells us high pressure is starting to really build in, and that is the case. It's going to peak for us early next week. You're going to just see this massive area of high pressure, this very warm air mass taking control of not only our weather here in California, but really the entire western United States, even Montana and into southern Canada. We've got some very warm air. So unusual weather pattern for January, but it'll give us very warm weather as long as any fog holds off, which again, at least through the weekend, looks to be the case. Now this high pressure is going to shift east though later this week, and that's going to open the door for the jet stream to swing in and bring a lot of moisture into the state of California. This is just a look at the upper level moisture that we're seeing, and this is going to be a storm that soaks pretty much the entire state of California. The potential is there for heavy rain. That's going to still depend a little bit on the finer details, the timing, the exact track of the storm, but it is very likely that we're looking at least steady rain into late next week. And again, the potential is there for some heavy rain, so we'll watch that storm very carefully. Getting into your 7-day forecast here now. 65 for tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies for Saturday, so not a ton of sunshine, but still a comfortable day. Moderate air quality, no burning unless registered. Touch more sun on Sunday, should take us up to about 70 degrees. And again, as long as the fog holds off, mid-70s by early next week. Monday's record high is 74 degrees. We could definitely tie or even set a record on Monday. And then again, things get a lot more active by the end of the forecast. At this point, I have a 70% rain chance for Thursday and much cooler temperatures Thursday and Friday. Mountain communities, the exact same trend. Warming temperatures here, peaking early next week. 60s and 70s in the mountains, and then much cooler temperatures by the end of the forecast and a good rain chance for just about everyone in Kern County.